Welcome to the video tutorial of Syntax City. Let's go ahead and learn how to play the application. First thing you need to do, if you do want to work with more than one child and if you want to save the data, is to click on Visit the City. Now you can see here I already have one visitor. I'm going to go ahead and enter my second visitor. We can tap here, you can add an avatar. And we're going to go ahead and save. If you need to in the future to delete a student, you want to double click on the avatar or the photo and tap on delete. This game is designed so that you can play with one player or up to 5 players. I'm here going to select 2 players and tap on next. Well, before we go to the next, I'm going to show you settings. You can see here it's going to play the audio, the prompt for each question. Now when wrong, we have an option of either removing the item or playing an audio buzz. And here we have a prompt for audio recording, which I'm going to turn on for the purpose of this demonstration. I'm going to tap on next. And this is the map within Syntax City. And you can see here that within each location, each location has a separate goal. So for example here, the park is targeting is, are. The bakery is targeting was, were. Then we have plurals within the zoo. We have grocery that has have, and you scroll up and down the map to the right and to the left for more locations and goals. In order for you to select a goal for your student, what you need to do is get the image, get the avatar, and drag on top of the location. Now as you can see here, for the farm, we have 2 levels, level 1 and level 2. I'm going to go ahead and select level 2. Now I'm going to scroll up on the map. Let's show you the beach. And what you're going to do is drag the second player onto the location. You can also drag both players to the same location, as well as the same player to multiple locations. Now you can see some locations have levels, others don't. There is a specific reason for that, but I will discuss that in future videos that you can watch on our website at www.smartyearsapps.com. To proceed with the activity, we're going to tap on next. You get an intro video, an intro transition for each location, which I have now turned off the audio.
Fun at the beach is always a great subject.
To be happy.
This is my first question. You can see here now it's Barbara's turn, and she is working on third-person agreement. We will select the correct one.
Appear.
Now since I had requested to prompt voice recording, we can now get the child to do a voice recording for the phrase that she just created. We tap on voice recording, we record a voice, and then we play. This is targeting expressive language skills. We're going to go to next.
Paul, his family, loves.
As you can see, the students are taking turns. First you had Barbara, now you have John. Now I'm going to go to next.
They.
And he goes back to Barbara.
Last week, Daryl and Anna, a pretty butterfly.
Now as you can see, if you have the same student on multiple locations, the same student is going to have, again, a new location with a new set of goals. If you pick wrong, it just removes that item.
What?
We're going to tap on next.
They. Spin.
And as you can see, this student received a treasure that is associated with the location that it will be saved on the student profile. Now you just need to tap outside of that congratulations screen and we'll go on to the next.
This is a family of.
Now this is a targeting plurals within the zoo and the student needs to pick the correct answer.
Mice.
They. Posing for photos.
Once we are ready to terminate the session, we hit done, which takes us to the report card. We can tap, for example, onto John, and here you have a pop-up that you can either take a look at the treasures found in town or the player's performance. Let's tap on the treasures. As you can see here, the student has not received any treasures yet. But you can scroll up and down to access more locations. And this way the student knows that there are X amount of treasures per location, which will keep him motivated to continue collecting more and more treasures. I'm going to return and show you Barbara's treasures because she has already collected a treasure within the beach, and you can see here the purse is now in color. I'm going to go back and tap again on John to take a look at the player's performance. As you can see here, the player, John, practiced third person singular, irregular past tense, and plurals. He got past 80%, in this case 100% accuracy, within plurals and third person singular agreement. Now for irregular past tense, he is below 50 for his performance. You can also see more details here to the right that shows exactly the number that he received per task. You can go ahead and share this. You can email, print, copy, or send it to any of the applications that you have on your iPad.